I'm in my dome, sliding through Lauderdale. Squatted under sister giving
I would have slapped my brother. Get the hell out of here.
Your license is not good. You can't drive big bro or little bro. Nah, you trying to play so you can
Mikey used to be at your old job, man.
You tell your mom, man.
Keep these.
Bro, it ain't working anyway.
I'm gonna keep those.
It is.
I want to get them
Tell your
Impala,
mom,
them stocks.
What, that bit look slam on
The
them.
stock Impalas.
That shit look slam on the age, boy. You see?
Man, I don't do no big. If I do a U-turn, I do a big ass one.
Where you going?
Third
you
lane
driving the
over.
car, bro?
Yeah,
It's
you
the
got
only
it.
car.
On the 18.
This your daily?
No.
You still got the bike, right?
Mhm. I thought Craig seen it. Craig ain't seen it yet.
The Hayabusa?
Mhm.
Fuck that guy, you know his ass to ride bikes? I think he told me that shit. I'm like, what?
You get rid of that bitch.
I'm like, bro,
You
that
see
nigga
it,
told
you
me
gonna
that
I'll
like
shit.
trade the bike for a nice paint job, bro.
Bro,
Because I want
that's why the man not supposed to be smoking weed, bro.
different ventures.
So the man told me
You don't need no bike, man.
he
When
told
y'all
me he was
race,
on the bike,
when
bro.
niggas talk about
Fell off
racing,
that shit doing like
I
160.
be like, I want to watch. Oh yeah, I fell off that shit.
You know,
Fix it right back.
listen. Yo, the man say my couple commercial, you know that little bend when you coming up the hill?
Yeah.
Man forgot the bend was there.
Yeah, I was too hot.
How you
Man
forget the
forgot
bend,
the bend
though?
was there, bro.
Because I was racing the 720
So you went straight, bro?
The man couldn't turn because it slowed down.
from
Couldn't do nothing.
University and commercial heading east.
Dog, the way you explain that shit to me, I'm like, yo.
You know you lit. That's straight all the way. That was like, damn.
That's like waking up a week later in the hospital, nigga. What you mean, nigga?
Mm-hmm.
Wake up out of a coma like, damn, what happened? It was all a dream, dude.
And my shit not registered and no tag. Got a dummy tag on it.
By the
Police
time
like, yeah, we giving you tickets for all this shit.
I traded that bitch for a mean paint job.
You right.
All that too, he sleep.
You right, but I look at it, why can't you get 25 and then get another 25?
Fuck that, man. No bike.
Yeah,
Bikes is cool to have, but
you
not
see
to
it, you don't
ride.
like it,
Listen,
I don't like it.
That shit, that shit.
You don't like
Chameleon,
it.
that was chameleon with orange,
Nah.
flare.
Niggas talk like this. I'm scared of bikes. I don't know about anybody. I'm scared of bikes.
No, I like the bike because
I like it.
when
but
niggas want to be
it's
fast,
scary, bro. It's
Hey.
scary, bro.
I was in high school, and we had an R1. My homeboy had an R1. He
Yeah.
just bought from somebody, red and chrome, clean.
I fuck up our ones.
Listen, that thing was so clean. Bro, I had it, you know where he left it at? In my garage, right? When I was in Sawgrass. My mom came home one day. I wasn't home.
You got light?
My phone rang. She called me, right? Craig, why? I said, what happened? Why ain't go buy a bike? I said, ain't buy no bike, mom. You crazy? What if I buy this? I'm like, that's twin bike. She's like, tell him sell this shit.
For real.
Yeah, for real. She was like, don't. I'm like, no, don't worry about that, mom. Not me.
It's bad
Jack
to
up
do
a
it
little
from
bit
the
more?
diff.
Huh?
It's bad to
No,
do it
because
from
you're going to lift the whole rear end up. So, one day my mom come home, and the bike not there, right? Stop right there. She blew up my phone. Where you at? Get up on the bike? I said, no. I said, they came and got it.
Shit up on the bike.
She don't care, it's there. Let,
Should've
just-
saw,
let it stay right there, but don't,
Just
you know
don't get on it.
Don't get it.
Why move? Why bike gone?
Yeah.
No, but for that shit dangerous. I get cut off as soon as I ride it, every day. Every time I ride it, I'm getting cut off.
I'm not messing with that.
But my philosophy is at every intersection, expect a speed chase. or
Look,
whatever.
I got my homeboy with the GS.
Like somebody running away from the police. I'm still alive. Like every intersection, I'm on brakes.
Like my homeboy with the GS.
Yeah.
They used to live right over here, like by Sunblaze. No, my dog, man, come to my house all the time. He the one who got me my washer and dryer. Cool, bruh. You feel me? I just get a phone call one night. The man passed away.
No.
And you know what's messed up? I was at his house. He has a bike, but he don't really ride it like that. He always you see him, he always in his SE, right? I mean, in his GS. So I go to his house. And he's like, "Oh, I got the bike back." And I walk past the bike. I'm like, Brian, I'm gonna tell you like I keep telling you, fuck that bike. Fuck, like turbo the car. Fuck that bike.
That shit's dangerous.
Nigga,
But the car, too dangerous.
I get the phone call. He gone.
Yeah.
It
Off the
was a
bike?
motorcycle off the bike. You know what I'm talking about? But he never wear a shirt. He used to work over there by casinos. By the, where you get all the extra furniture and like all that secondhand stuff.
Yeah.
You don't remember what I'm talking about? He had like that greenish, the stock greenish GS with the GFGs. Why? I remember he did flares on the fenders,
Yeah.
accurate brakes.
That's what you
Hold it
said
down.
me. Your homegirl car.
Yeah.
Your homegirl car.
man was cool as hell, bro. Lost his life on that bike.
Yeah, that shit real though.
Bro,
You tightrope walking.
somebody ran the light and killed him.
But who told y'all to get so fast? Ain't nobody tell y'all to get fast.
Somebody ran the light. It wasn't his fault.
All the cars got fast.
Shit stupid.
Oh, you say cars just got faster?
So everybody fast? Okay. Oh, everybody want to be fast? Fine.
This shit
Let me
is
watch
scary.
all of you. If you want to race and I'm there, I get to be in the first seat.
That's what, and then you know what's messed up? That's what you think.
What?
Because I dare you to fucking, I'll let you go in that bike.
Let's say y'all racing.
No.
I'm going to be right here on my bike like this.
I'm telling you, I'll stretch you on your bike with my car. I'm telling you that.
That bike is the best thing that I ever bought. Because I didn't have to install it.
When that motherfucking car hooked, that shit a slingshot.
You know what this discourages me?
You gotta pretty much get to your gear before it lasts to catch
Wiring discouraged me from doing that. That's why I got the bike. I'm like, I don't want to go through wiring.
Too expensive.
That's another world in itself.
Yeah, but you pay for it once and that's it.
As long as you got money, bro, you gonna get whatever you
I
want.
paid for it one time. I just got it done.
Well, you ain't put the
Like
damn.
this. You think I want to pay to wire it, fam? I have to put I gotta put a Honda in it.
I forgot to tell you put the
It's
silicone,
not
bro.
even just that. Not even just the Honda. I gotta
You better
I gotta get the adapter plate for the tranny. And a converter.
I forgot to put the silicone.
I'll do that. I only gotta do that with the remote.
Oh, for real? Oh, so it don't. I put a little silicone. I hate this little. Cap not there. I can ride a bad fucking paint job, right? The cap not there. Mm-hmm.
All the wrong Russell.
Yeah.
I still ride that shit out there.
You right there. You
Hey, these rims, with the caps, I hate them.
You see, you don't got
No, I ain't gonna lie though, but these, those more racy, like you on the track or some shit.
But it would look better with the cap, though.
So it wouldn't matter if the I wouldn't do that.
It wouldn't even.
Yeah, put the styling on it. The styling of this.
Nigga, some 14 caps. The nigga head up.
Put that shit on my bubble. I did a bubble, a white bubble, put that shit on some.
You see the niggas trying to bring back spinners?
That's next.
You can't find me no 28's spinners, bro?
If it's not a mighty, if I can't find me a full face, you know, everybody let me show go.
I need some photo faces, crib, what's up, man?
It's mighty.
Super. Everybody super real quick.
Hey, tell Bam let's swap out one day. Super for the dunk.
I ain't gonna lie, I don't think you would. Yeah, let that super go down. I wouldn't let that super go down.
I gotta put tape around the light. Is it easy to fix the wood lamps?
I'm gonna put, you see where you at? I'm gonna put this shit a little bit handle. That's where I wanna pop my side broke.
Ain't no replacement.
I'm gonna put a billet handle.
It's hard to fix.
You see what I'm doing, right? Because I don't have time to be running that wire.
All of these
It's a cable, like a butt cable. I'm doing it down there though. Great.
Oh, you talking about the little toe tab?
They sell a billet handle. That's what I wanted at. And to be honest, I'm about to make a fiberglass hood. Because I don't want it on there.
You want the scoop?
No, I don't want it on there. When I come home, I put it on myself. When I leave, I take it right off easily. My car.
Green bars, bitch.
Yeah, that's it. Just a rain guard. I don't necessarily want a hood. I could do it too.
Buy shit, dog. You know that. My homeboy work at the boat yard. His dad didn't get me a bucket of resin. I need a roll of fiberglass. All I need is a roll of fiberglass and a bucket of resin, bro. I made like two bonnets, like 2 BGS. And a couple fenders and shit.
I could make mine too. I need an old hood.
That's all you just need, a lot of resin.
I was gonna.
Blaze that shit.
I would have did that carbon fiber, but that bit cost so much. The sheet.
The no hood always look good, though. That shit always look good.
If you got a motor, there's no point having
That shit always look good.
especially if you got a pretty motor. If you just got an ugly ass motor, like you just
All that chrome in the mind with no hood, but you get to the light, people be like this. And the people in trucks, they pull up more and just sit there and just look down.
Look, that's art, bro.
And then when they see the clear side, you see them go to looking a little bit more and like. I learned a lot of people smart. Like they be looking at the car, they be like, "Why it sound like that? What you got in there?"
Yeah. Yeah. Their ears. Cause they looking for a certain.
Yeah, it's just it's just strong and one idle like.
That's what they looking for.
they use that inconsistent.
Yeah.
And I got like a slight chop because I got cam.
Wow.
I need to build my motor, bro. I got pistons and rods, I got cams, I got all that shit. I just need rings, bearings, shit like that. I need all that. So I just need to block that shit.
Wiring is what fucked me up with the sword. That's what discouraged me.
That's what slowed me down. Maybe it's good at
Just. As soon as I got type of shit it is?
I was trying to put it on because bro, like that bitch low.
Don't ever use Vista flat, bro. I gotta wash the whole truck out now. Oh my god.
Catch it.
Damn, look at this.
Leaning towards.
Damn, lift up straight.
You gotta lean it towards you.
Come out. Yeah, my bad.
That's the seal for the rim, man.
Man, that shit comes with these little big towels, bro. Yeah, that's one thing we see. It's just getting wet. It's just not lifting up. At least it's in the red, little big guys. Wood green. What you got these on the truck? Oh, you had to get it lift. It still got a little, still like got a little bend in that bitch. Right there, a little bit. What you got? New lift?
It is fixed it. I got the rim from the old way. I put an air in the business. All of this is done with it. And then we took it.
Yeah, this slip fucked up.
We put the shit in there and started leaking. I thought that bitch was moving. As soon as I got down here last night, it was all out. But that nice home.
That look bad. You see that cigarette?
But
Look bad look. Right here. You see, man, like I'm all pain when you look at it. That shit pain on this side too. God, man. Go through that bitch hole. Man.
Trying to get this shit somewhere sealed right here. That shit look. Middle part, yeah.
that's probably why that bitch was leaking there.
Got the time. What side of the car is on? Passenger?
That shit still dripping? That's a motherfucker.
Yeah, afterwards. Afterwards.
I mean, I was loud, dude.
He definitely got him.
I'm out there in Georgia working.